So, good day everyone. This is the plate that we are going to do today in SolidWorks. So, we're going to start with a new file, a blank page. Select circle right here. You have to click it on the origin so that the center point of the circle will be there. You can make the circle with any size. Just use Smart Dimension right here and make the circle 120 diameter. So it will look like this. And then select circle again and use the same center point, which is the origin, and then use Smart Dimension to change its dimension to 90 diameter. So this 90 diameter circle will be our guide for our 12 diameter circles that we're going to place. So let's make a small circle right here and then change its diameter to 12. So after that, we're going to use copy entities, which is under move entities right here. We're going to do this 3 times. So first, copy that circle and make sure it is aligned with the first circle that we created. Then let's do it again on the sides. Copy that one and make sure it is aligned with the center point. Now that we have placed the 12 diameter circles, we can now delete this guide circle. So this is what it will look like. So next, we're going to extrude it and modify the depth to 20 millimeters. So let's set the unit to millimeters. So this is what the first part of the plane looks like. On the other side and on the other view. So next is, click on this side of the plate, select circle again, and use the same center point, which is the origin. You can make the circle with any size, then use Smart Dimension and make it 60. So next, extrude the 60 diameter circle by 130 millimeter depth. So guys, before we proceed to the next step, this is the result of the extruded part. Next, click on this part of the plane, the front plane, then create smaller circle. And then change its diameter to 48. And after that, use extrude cut to make a hole in the center part of the plate. Then change its direction to this way, and the plane now will be hollow. So we're going to set its depth to 144 millimeters. After you input it, enter. So this is what it will look like after the extruded cut. So for the next part of our plate, click on this side of the plane. And then use circle, then place it on the same center point. Then use smart dimension to set it to 30 diameters. What we are going to do is to extrude that 30 diameter circle, and we're going to set its depth into 50 millimeter. Use rectangle this time to sketch. Select the rectangle. And using the same center point, click it on the origin. And then use Smart Dimension to make it 70 by 70 rectangle. So first, click on this side, then input 70 millimeters. And then do the same on this part. Use line, and under it you can find the center line. Then click it on the origin to the top of the rectangle as a guide for the circles. So now we're going to make a circle, and then click it on this part of the plane. And then we're going to set its size into 10 diameter. And so in order to set it on the right place, we're going to use Smart Dimension from the center of the 10 diameter circle and the center line. Then change its distance to 25 millimeter. Now use copy entities again 3 times. Copy this 10 diameter circle right here. Then place it on this part of the plane. Here. Then do it 2 more times. And just make sure that it is aligned from the previous circles that we made. This is what it should look like. So next thing that we will do is that we're going to extrude the rectangle, and we're going to change this depth to 20. The next thing we're going to do is to use fillet on all corners of the rectangle and set its radius to 10. In order to use the fillet, we're going to click on the sides of the rectangle like this here, and continue doing it on all corners. And the next thing that we're going to do is click on this part of the plate. And then use circle again. Click it on the same origin, same center point, and use Smart Dimension to make it 18 diameters. So the next thing you're going to do is to use extruded cut on the 18 diameter circle right here. So click on extrude cut, then set this to through all. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.